What if I tell you that you can identify out of a group of women which one would be the most attracted to your personality? Would it make your dating life easier? I'm sure it would. So today we're talking about the 4 types of guys women are attracted to and how to identify women who match your personality. There was a study conducted by Revell from the University of Lancashire where they came up with a lot of information that can be very useful in the dating world. In the study, they asked women what are some of the most attractive traits they find in a man, and they came up with 4 categories of man women find the most attractive, and here they are. The leader. This is someone who takes charge, someone who is very social and usually takes control of the situation. People seek him to make plans and he is usually the center of attention. The bad boy. This is someone who takes risks. He believes in doing things now and asking for forgiveness later. This guy is mostly driven by self-interest and cares very little of what other people think. He can be a little edgy and unapologetic, but people find that he can be fun and exciting at the moment. The nice guy. This guy isn't the most energetic or extravagant guy, but he treats everyone very good. He makes a good listener and tends to care what people think of him. He does not like conflict or tension, so he is very nice to everyone. The provider. This guy's weapon is that he is a spender. He impresses people by his wallet and his willingness to help everyone have a good time. Now, this guy typically does well financially and has the lifestyle many people want. Now, out of these 4 categories of man, which one do you identify with? Which of these categories sound the most like you? What is really fascinating is that they asked these women to fill out a personality test where they analyzed 3 personality traits. Number 1, extraversion. These are girls who are very social and like to be around people. They are social butterflies and are the most comfortable around other people. Number 2, shyness. These are girls who are a little bit shy and not the most energetic. They can be a little more emotionally sensitive. They'd rather spend time with a small crowd and they can enjoy being on their own. Number 3, the Revell. This is someone who bases many of her decisions on highly charged emotions. Someone who is a bit of a rebel and seeks highly emotionally charged experiences. She acts on the present moment based on emotion instead of logic. Now, the women in this study were put into one of these categories. What is really interesting is that a woman who scored highly into either of these categories is more attracted to one of the types of guys that we mentioned before. So let's play a guessing game. Which category of girls do you think would be the most attracted to the nice guy? Which girl would be attracted to the leader? What about the provider or the bad boy? Make sure to write your guesses in the comments below and see if you got them right. So each one of these categories of women are more attracted to a specific type of guy. That is why there's a big discussion whether being a nice guy is attractive or not. The thing is that it's not a matter of being attractive or not, but who finds nice guys attractive. Okay, I'm sure you have an idea of which type of girl is attracted to which type of guy. Let's start with the extrovert. She likes going out, hanging out with people, and being a social butterfly. According to the study, women who were categorized as highly extroverted rated a leader as more attractive. The shy girl. She likes small crowds and she's likely to be emotionally sensitive. Women who were rated highly in this category rated the nice guy as more attractive. The rebel. She can be a little reckless and likes emotionally charged experiences. Women who rated highly in this category rated the bad boy as more attractive. Notice how the provider wasn't a match to any of these categories, but was still rated as attractive. The reason for this is because the provider is the second choice for all of them. For example, the shy girl, when given the choice between someone who will treat her amazingly, the nice guy, or someone with a lot of money, she will choose the one who treats her amazingly. Same with the other categories, because attraction is triggered by emotion and not by money, so the provider becomes the second choice. Right now, you're probably realizing that the woman that you've attracted in your life most likely matches the category of guy you behave like. This is massive when it comes to dating and attraction because by identifying what type of girl you're talking to, you know what type of guy she is the most attracted to. Now you have the knowledge to look at a group of women and identify which one would be the most attracted to you. As always, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.